Here's our aquarium. And you can see we have some of the neons here. And then back there and right here we have two little sucky fish guys. Aren't they cute? Nom, 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 nom. Then we have somewhere around here. Oh, there's a fish in the car. Oh, we have some shrimp. Ooh, there's one. Yum. There's 3 of them. Oh, there's one on the back wall. Slowly going towards our fishies. And we have a snail too. I'm not quite sure where he is right now. Let's see. Oh, there he is. He's back there.